Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to build an email template in Hubspot so you can send consistent, professional messages without starting from scratch each time. If you want to send polished emails more efficiently, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through creating a reusable email template in Hubspot step by step and share a few simple tips to make your emails clearer and more effective. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. Go to Marketing, then select Email. This is your central hub for managing everything email-related in HubSpot, from newsletters to automated follow-ups. Next, click Create Email. You'll be prompted to choose between regular and automated. Select regular if you're sending a one-time email, such as a newsletter or announcement. Choose automated if the email will be used inside workflows, like a welcome series or post-download follow-up. Selecting the correct type ensures your email fits smoothly into your marketing strategy. Now choose a template from HubSpot's library or click Start from Scratch. The template library includes professionally designed layouts you can quickly customize, which is helpful if you want a polished structure right away. If you prefer full creative control, starting from scratch gives you that flexibility. Once inside the editor, begin customizing your email. Start with a clear and compelling subject line that sets expectations and encourages opens. Keep it concise, avoid overly promotional language, and make sure it aligns with the content inside. Next, edit your content blocks. Update the text, replace images as needed, and configure your buttons to link to the correct pages. Focus on a clean structure, a strong headline, easy-to-scan body content, and one clear primary call to action. Maintain consistent branding with your colors, fonts, and logo to create a familiar experience for your audience. You can also personalize your message using tokens like a contact's first name. Adding personalization can improve engagement and build trust when used thoughtfully. When you're satisfied with your design and content, click Save as Template. Give your template a clear and descriptive name so you and your team can find it easily later. This will help maintain consistency across future campaigns, whether they're one-time emails or automated sequences. And that's how you build an email template in HubSpot. Simple and efficient. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.